You too was good, y'all. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech. Yes, I know y'all saw by the title. I know y'all saw by the thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm gonna show you how to turn those annoying notifications on your iPhone device. How to turn off notifications on your Instagram. How to turn off annoying notifications on your Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook. I mean, who even uses Facebook nowadays? But anyways, I'm gonna show you how to turn those off too. Because listen, who wants to get notified by somebody posting a story on Instagram 24/7? No one cares about that. No one cares about that. Am I wrong? Alright. Before we get into the video though, hey, whoa. Hey, you too. What's going on up in here? What's going up in here? Do you guys see what I see? Do you guys see what I see? We're at 279 subscribers, guys. Each and one of you guys contribute to this channel, and each and one of you guys means something to this channel, okay? Because let me tell you something. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't even be here. You get what I'm saying? If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't even be here. But guys, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up here. But enough jibber jabber. All right, let's get into the video. So boom, we on the iPhone, as you can see, 279 subscribers. Thank y'all. But yeah, listen, I'm gonna show you how to turn off your notifications on your iPhone. It's a very simple process, very simple step to do. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to head over to your settings, right? You click on settings, boom, you greet it with the settings page, and what you want to do is you want to head over to notifications, boom, and then you see now I'm getting notifications. You see how crazy that is? This is exactly my point. Shout out to him though. But yeah, anyways, you go to this list, right? And then as you can see right now, I got Facebook turned off. Instagram is currently on. So if you want to turn off your notifications so it doesn't appear on your screen, what you could do is you could click on the actual app name, and from there you can click on allow notifications or deactivate it by clicking on this toggle. When you click on this toggle, what it does is it turns off all notifications. But if you want, if you want to tweak around with it, you can always, turn off like the time sensitive notifications, or you can kind of just play around with these different settings. For example, it could be on your lock screen. If you don't want it on your lock screen, you just click on it so that it doesn't go on your lock screen. Or if you don't want it on your notification center, you can just click on that, so on and so forth, right? What you can also do, if you want sounds for it, I don't know why you would want that, to be honest, but to me it's annoying. If you want to turn on sound, you could do that. But I'm not gonna, for the sake of this video, there's no point in doing that. What I'm trying to show you is you just click on allow, where it says allow notifications, you just click on this and just turn it off completely. Okay? Listen, let me tell you something. If you want to be productive, trust me, you want to turn off your notifications. Trust me on that. You know what I'm saying? Look, Facebook, stupid fly getting in my face. But yeah, Facebook, you can turn off all these apps right here. FaceTime, you can turn it off. Instagram turned off. All these apps, if you don't want annoying notifications from LinkedIn all day, you can just turn it off. Boom. You won't get notifications from LinkedIn anymore. It's really simple as that. And then yeah, from there, basically, okay, you can turn off notifications. This is a very simple step, very simple tutorial, how-to video. You know what I'm saying? This is very simple. Okay, it's very simple. Again, not everybody knows how to use iPhones. Not everybody knows how to use Android. So that's why I'm here. That's why Tech Realism exists. Because we talk real tech. Everything that has to do with tech, we talk about. You dig? So yeah, YouTube, that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. Hold on. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Guys, I know y'all saw this. We're at 279 subscribers, guys. Join the club, join the crew. Okay? Join the club, join the crew. because I'm producing more videos like these. Hey, let me know if you guys like the setup though. Okay, I'm trying to switch things around here. Okay, I'm trying to switch things around here. All right. So yeah, YouTube. That's the video. I hope you guys liked the video. You guys found the video educational. I try to be funny in my videos. Let me know if I'm funny or not. If I'm not, it don't matter. I'm still funny in my own eyes. Okay. All right, YouTube. That's the video. We out. Peace.